So this we get it when we try to open Eclipse.
Yes, sir. Right, sir. Right.
So if you observe, let us check what is the version of JDK we have. C:, program files, Java. Oh, sorry. Files, Java. So you have 1.8 also and 1.18 also, correct?
Yes, sir.
By default, it is pointing to GRE 1.8, hence it is not able to open. So we will do one thing.
Okay.
Let's specify this path. Okay. So let me just open the location of the Eclipse.
Okay.
There will be a file called eclipse.ini. So here we have to mention the path of it. -VM. Let's specify it /java.w.exe.
Exe.
Let me save it.
Okay, sir.
Now let us open it. Is it working now?
Yes, sir.
That's it.